How to remove screen lock on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to remove the screen lock on Android, what you have to do is simply just go to the settings of your device, then scroll down to passwords and security over here. Now as you tap on passwords and security, you can see the option of screen lock over here. So just tap on screen lock. Now here you have to mention your password or your screen lock as well. After that, you can see different options of the screen lock from pattern, pin, password, and then at the very end you can see the option of turn off screen lock. So just tap on turn off screen lock and then a little pop-up would be there where it says that after you turn off your lock screen password, recorded face data will be deleted. You won't be able to unlock this device using your face. So just tap on OK, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.